The idea is that someone that lands in Doha, at the point of entry, they would see an artwork, and all the way through the journey, to the metro, to the going to the hotel, going to the fan zone, going to the stadium, they will encounter artworks along the way.